Hello, today we'll understand how to write the equation of a line using the point slope form. Point slope form equation is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. If we have to use this form to write the equation of a line, which means we need to have a point, and that point is x1, y1, and we also need to have the slope of the equation, which is represented by m. Let us try doing a question to have a better understanding of this. The question here says to find the equation of a line that passes through the point 3, 5 and has a slope of 2. We need to have a point and we need to have the slope to be able to use the point slope form. So 3 is our x1, 5 is the value of y1, and 2 is the slope represented by m. Now let us put these three values in the point slope form. So now this equation changes to y minus y1 is 5 is equal to m, which is 2, times x minus x1 is 3. Let us now just simplify it. So we have y minus 5 is equal to, using the distributive property over here, we have 2 times x is 2x, and subtract 3 times 2 is a 6. Now, if we have to get the equation in the slope-intercept form, what we just need to do is add 5 onto both sides. So negative 5, positive 5 gets cancelled. We have y is equal to 2x. Negative 6 plus 5 is a negative 1. And this is our equation of the line. And we've got it using the point slope form. Now, let us try doing another question in which we have to find the equation of a line which passes through two given points. The first point is 2, 3, and the second point is 4, 7. So to be able to use the point slope form, we need a point and we also need the slope of the line. Now, we have been given 2 points. So here we can use any one point, but we additionally need to have the slope. So for calculating the slope, let us take this as 0.1. The other one is 0.2. So this is our x1 value. This is a y1 value. This is x2 and this is y2. Now, if we have to find the slope, slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which also can be written as 7 minus 3 by just substituting these four values into the slope formula and then divided by 4 minus 2. So 7 minus 3 is a 4, 4 minus 2 is a 2, and 4 divided by 2, we get a 2. So now we know that our slope is equal to 2. So we've got the slope as 2, and we need a point. So we can use any point, 0.1 or 0.2. Let us just take 0.1. So the point is 2 and 3. Now from here, 2 is our x1 value, 3 is our y1 value, and this 2 is the slope. Let us put these values into the point slope form, which is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So y subtract y1 is 3 is equal to, the slope is 2. So m we have substituted by 2. X minus x1 is equal to 2. So we have y minus 3. Now we'll use distributive property, 2 times x and 2 times negative 2. So we have 2x minus 4. And now to remove the negative 3 from here, we'll add positive 3 on both the sides. So we have y, negative 3 and positive 3 gets cancelled, and we have 2x, negative 4 and plus 3 is equal to negative 1. So our equation of the line is y equals 2x minus 1. I hope you understood how to use the point slope form to find the equation of a line. See you in the next one. Bye bye.